Good afternoon and welcome back to Quick Q. I'm Jason, and today's the day. Got to show you guys the grill Zibo. It was quite a project, so I didn't think it'd take nearly as long as it has. I apologize for lack of content lately, but this thing's been taking up most of my free time. So weekends, after work, all that good stuff. I did all of it by myself. So I did have a little bit of help from some friends. My girlfriend was nice enough to help me out as well, and most importantly, my dad. So he was very patient with me on the phone and helped kind of guide me through a bunch of this, that, and the other questions I had. So thank you to everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. So hang in there. Well, here she is. It's 12 foot by 26 feet of covered grilling area, and we got about 7 foot in the rear, about 9.5 feet in the front, trying to get a decent slope to get the smoke out of there. So currently have about 6 of my grills under here. I actually wish it was bigger, but it's a beast. So off to the left here I have a 5 foot cantilevered overhang. So I'll be using this for a couple of the other grills I have, my wood storage for the offsets, and just kind of nice to keep stuff out of the elements, honestly. May cook here occasionally, depending on weather, wind direction, all that good stuff. But the shed portion of the grill Zibo is 5 foot by 8 feet, and actually added some lights in here. It's still pretty bright out, but 5 feet by 8 feet, and just have somewhere to put all my barbecue stuff, or at least a portion of it for now. So still got to get moved in, add some shelves, but pretty handy, and definitely glad I decided to kind of get everything out here and all in one place. I added quite a bit of lighting. I actually have 4 lights that I've been using. Actually got to cook a couple times, and it lights up really nicely with the corrugated metal above. Everything reflects. It's actually lighting probably as good as my kitchen's. A little video of nighttime. So this lighting, even though there's just the 4 lights, they work really well. You can see any and everything that you need to see, and the corrugated metal up top I think reflects a lot of the light down. I also have the various wood chunks I like to smoke, so whether I'm using the insulated vertical smoker or the Masterbuilt here, or even the Weber. Just got some cheap little tags off Amazon and stamped on some labels. So I got apple, pecan, peach, what do we got, cherry, and some maple barrel oak. So trying that tonight on some tri-tip. That's what I got going here. I also added some light for out front, kind of nice. Lights the backyard up pretty well, and kind of matches the aesthetic. Any and everything I could buy off Amazon I did. I think the little mason jar lights were $8, and the lights out front were about $20, something like that. So it's just a grill Zibo, so don't need anything fancy. Cheap works for me, and they light everything up real nicely. I added a nitrile glove holder, paper towel holder. Kind of nice just to have everything where I need it and when I need it, not having to go in and out of the house. One of the things I put a bit of thought into was power outlet and location. So I actually have 3 different outlets. Switches for the lights are there, and then a quad box there, but works out really well. All the grills have somewhere to plug into if there was an occasion in which I needed to run all 6 grills. I absolutely could. So a quick rundown of the grills that I have out here right now. I have the new Lone Star Grill 42 by 20 pellet grill, the Masterbuilt 800, the Lone Star 42 by 20 offset smoker. One of my favorite, believe it or not, is the Green Mountain Grills. I think that's a Davy Crockett. And then the large Lone Star Grill insulated vertical smoker. So definitely be playing with these. I know you guys have wanted some comparison cooks, specifically between the offset and the horizontal, but I actually might do some ribs in all 3 of the Lone Stars. So stay tuned for that. I opted to hang a lot of the different tools. This isn't all of them, but just kind of threw this up to give you guys an idea of how I think I'll be using it, at least while the weather's good. But got a couple meat hooks, packs of meat hooks off Amazon. Turned them upside down so the sharp end won't poke you, and hung most of the tools I like to use on at least a weekly basis. So pretty practical, cheap, and easy, and pleased with how it turned out. I did a comp shingle roof. Originally I was going to do the corrugated, but I think it'll be too hot, honestly. So hoping to quiet things down if it's raining, etc. But I'm hoping it helps with heat, and so far no leaks, so not too bad. Please don't forget to comment. I'll ask or answer any questions you guys have, and subscribe as well. So thanks for all the support.